ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚೆನ್ನ. ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ವಿಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇನ್ 2047 ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ರೈಟ್, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗೋದು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಹಾನರಬಲ್ Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, Shri Narendra Modi ji, in 2022 we are going to complete 75 years of our freedom through the joyful celebration of आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव. Once again, in 2022 we are going to complete 75 years of our freedom through the joyful celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. These 75 years of freedom changed India into a developing country from a poor struggling country. Okay. India is a country with a rich heritage, and unique culture. Unity in diversity. Once again, India is a country with a rich heritage and unique culture, unity in diversity. In 2047, India will celebrate its 100 years. Of independence. Here I would like to share my vision for India in 2047. Here I would like to share my vision for India in 2047. India of my vision where women are safe and walk freely on road. Wherever is peace and harmony. Okay, my vision for India in 2047 is everyone gets opportunity for work and good job. Everyone is peace and harmony. My vision for India in 2047 is everyone gets opportunities for work and good jobs. It is my vision that it is my vision that every people of India will be educated in 2047. For this we all should start making efforts from right now. We all should start making efforts from right now. If we make efforts with unity, then India will definitely become self-reliant by 2047, and the title of Vishwaguru will definitely in its name. Okay, full stop. Here we have write it. Thank you. Okay, here write yours name. Okay, write yours faithfully. Write your name. Okay, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಬರೀಲಿ. ರಾಜು ಕೆ. ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಬರೀ. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಬರೀದಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, 8th ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತಾನೆ. ರೈಟ್. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.